Here's how to share a course between two Garmin Edge devices. I'll be using a 520 and an 830. From the Device Transfers option, press Select. Your Garmin is automatically in receive mode. We need to put it into share mode. At the top of the screen, you'll see it says Share Files. I'm going to make sure it's highlighted and then press Select. You'll be presented with a list of what you can share. I'm going to share a course, so I'll scroll down to Courses, select it, scroll down to the course I want to share, select it, and then scroll up to the top of the screen, highlight Share File, and press Select. The screen changes, and you're now in sharing mode. Let's slide over to the Garmin 830 and receive the file. Go to Device Transfers, and the Garmin is automatically in receive mode. Any Garmin broadcasting a file will show up in this menu. Here's the Garmin 520, I'll select it. Here's the course I want, I'll select it, and the file's transferred. If you want more details on how to do this, check out my video, How to Share Course Files with Garmin Edge Cycling Computers. Link in the description.